Hello, and welcome to SoftSpeak. This is a calm place, a safe place. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to be perfect. You can just listen. Take a slow breath in and out. Good. Very good. Today you begin English gently, one word at a time, little by little. Hello, Ethan.
Hello, Cynthia. I feel a little nervous.
That is okay, Ethan. You can feel nervous. You can feel calm. Everything is okay here. When you listen, your brain learns, even when you do nothing. Lesson 1, Greetings. Let us start with greetings. Very simple, very easy. In English, we say hello.
Hello.
Very good. Again, hello.
Hello.
Perfect. Now I say, hello, Ethan.
Hello, Cynthia.
Listener, repeat softly. Hello, hello, hello. Lesson 2. How are you? Listen. How are you?
How are you?
Nice. Very nice. Ethan, how are you?
I am good.
Great. You can also say, I am fine.
I am fine.
Listener, repeat. I am good. I am fine. Light humor.
Cynthia, what if I say, I am pizza?
That is funny, Ethan. But no, you are not pizza. You can eat pizza, but you are not pizza.
Ah, English is funny.
Yes, English likes to smile. Lesson 3. My name is. Now let us say our names. Listen. My name is Cynthia.
My name is Ethan.
Very good. Again. My name is Cynthia.
My name is Ethan.
Listener, say your name. My name is. Lesson 4. I am, you are. Now something important. Very easy. Listen. I am Cynthia. I am. I am.
I am Ethan.
Yes. Now, you are Ethan.
You are Cynthia.
I am, you are. Simple. Easy. Listener, repeat softly. I am, you are. Practice dialogue. Hello, Ethan.
Hello, Cynthia.
How are you?
I am good.
My name is Cynthia. What is your name?
My name is Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Repetition loop. Now, repeat slowly. Hello. How are you? I am good. I am fine. My name is. I am. You are.
Hello. How are you? I am good. I am fine. My name is Ethan. I am. You are.
Listener, your turn. Hypnotic reinforcement. Your mind is learning, even softly, gently, slowly. Every word is absorbed. You feel calm. You feel safe. you remember. Hello, how are you? I am good. I am fine. My name is. I am. You are. Final review. Today you learned hello, hi, goodbye, please, thank you, I am, you are.
It is a lot, but it feels easy.
Yes, because you learned calmly. Listen again if you like. Tomorrow it is easier.
Thank you, Cynthia.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Listen again if you like. Tomorrow it is easier.
Thank you, Cynthia.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.